Through Olympics cupping, designed for athletes, you can not only enhance your blood flow but at the same time reduce muscle tension and promote the cell repair. Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about cupping therapy for athletes. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. It is even beneficial for connective tissues and aids in the formation of new blood vessels present within them. Athletes make use of cupping services by Sports Physiotherapy Center to heal a host of conditions and ailments. Different types of cupping. In the ancient era, cupping was performed with the help of animal horns. Later, different cups made up of ceramic and bamboo evolved. Effective suction through these cups was possible with the use of heat. The cups were first heated in fire and then applied. Once they were cooled, they drew the skin due to pressure difference. Modern cupping utilizes cups that are crafted from glass and are rounded like balls. The two main types of cupping include wet cupping and dry cupping. In wet cupping, a combination of medicines and suction is used to treat the patient, while for dry cupping only the suction method is implemented. Your preferences, present condition, and the problems that you are going through help you choose the appropriate one. What to expect from Olympics cupping treatment. During the treatment, a specialized cup is placed on the skin and the vacuum sucks the muscle upwards. This creates a pressure onto the vessels, allowing the muscle to relax and relieves tension. The cups are usually allowed to settle for a period of 5 to 10 minutes, after which they are removed and placed at another part of the skin. The process continues until a particular segment of the body has been rejuvenated by the cupping session. To help athletes make the most of it, practitioners combine the power of cupping along with acupuncture to treat skin issues, digestions, and other associated problems. Cupping is able to cure a wide range of conditions that athletes often suffer at some point or the other, and these include facial paralysis, lumbar disc herniation, herpes zoster, cervical spondylosis. The best part about this therapy is that it has zero side effects or risks, allowing you to attain a perfect body without any complications. But, before you begin with your cupping session, do make sure that you consult with qualified practitioners about your conditions, past medical records, and your expectations from the treatment. Because this ancient integrative medicine requires the support of both practitioners and patients in order to achieve successful results. Are you ready for a cupping therapy session? Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.